The last thing that I wanted to just very briefly touch upon is the fact that I know at this meeting there are a number of sessions related to liability and criminal liability, and it's an issue that we currently have heard as I've gone around from meeting to meeting to meeting, and I often have to scratch my head at why this has been such a tremendous concern to regulated industry as we move into the FSMA compliance periods. Because I can tell you, sitting at FDA, we have not had any change in our thinking or approach about strict liability or about the part doctrine. Our goal, and I will repeat this again, is for us to promote food safety, not to resort first and foremost to enforcement actions. FDA pursues legal action against companies that are clearly negligent and are clearly violating the law, and not, to our knowledge, in other circumstances. Our focus as we move into FSMA compliance hasn't changed. It continues to be based on implementing a food safety system that is based on preventive controls. So my advice in terms of trying to address these concerns or to address these issues is to look at your food safety system as a whole, consider where you could be vulnerable, take proactive action, build redundancies into your system so that if you have a failure in one area, that you have other redundancies built into the system that will come into place to prevent food safety problems from occurring. The best defense is to comply with the new requirements and document how you are creating a food safety culture where everyone understands the expectations and has the training to get it done. In other words, if you are making a good faith attempt to comply with the FSMA regulations, our job is to help you accomplish that goal, not to punish you for your attempts that you've made in good faith. So I will just end with another Yogi quote that says, if you ask me anything I don't know, I'm not going to answer. And because Yogi was on the Yankees and we're here in Chicago and we have to celebrate the victory of the Chicago Cubs, I put the Cubs insignia down at the bottom. So thanks very much.